Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm just going to show you how to join your favorite app's beta program. Okay, so in the Google Play Store, you're able to join a beta program for any of these apps. Okay, I'm going to show you a full one. I'm going to show you one that you can just join. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example. Okay, so let's say that you go for Google Maps. Okay, Google Maps beta is open. Okay, so you can join it fine. Okay, and like I said, most apps you're able to join the beta. Not all of them are full, so that's pretty cool that Google Maps you're able to join the beta. I thought it was going to be full, but no, so that's pretty cool. So join that. So that's what a join the beta looks like, where you're able to join. Now I'm going to show you one that you can't join. Okay, so for example, let's just go to the YouTube app. Okay, if you scroll down, it says beta program is full. Okay, so you can't join that one. See, but that's what I mean. So you can find other ways to join a beta program if you can't get it from Google Play. You can get it from other stores, which I had other videos on there, like APK Pure, what I'm saying, other ones, Happy Mod and all that other stuff, Mobilism, whatever you want to do, legal way to do so. So definitely try it out. But that's how you join a beta of an app on your Play Store. Yeah, and if you have any other questions, definitely let me know. Let's get it, let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.